In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a character definition in Character.ai. We'll begin right in your browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and look for the official site with the domain Character.ai. Click through to open it. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the Create option in the top navigation. A small menu will appear. From there, select Character to start a new build. You'll see a form with fields like name, short description, greeting, and the character definition. If you're not sure what to write, don't worry. We're going to use ChatGPT to quickly draft a solid starting point you can customize. Open ChatGPT in another tab. In the message box, type exactly, "Help me create character on Character.ai." Then wait a moment for the response. It should produce a structured outline you can use, often including traits, speaking style, a backstory, a sample greeting, and sometimes a full definition suitable for Character.ai's format. Once the response is ready, review it and copy the parts that match what you want: the short description, the initial greeting, and especially the character definition. Head back to the Character.ai tab and paste those pieces into the corresponding fields. Keep your character focused and consistent. For example, make sure the greeting introduces the character in their voice, the short description sets the role and purpose clearly, and the definition outlines personality, goals, boundaries, and how the character should respond. This helps the AI stay on track during conversations. Before you finalize, make quick tweaks so the text reflects your style. Adjust names, tone, or specific facts to make the character unique. Keep instructions clear and avoid sensitive information. If the definition includes example conversations, ensure they demonstrate the exact behavior you want the character to reproduce. When you're satisfied with everything you've pasted and edited, click Create Character. That's it. Your character is now ready. You can open a chat and see how it behaves with your definition guiding its responses. If you notice anything off, you can always come back and refine the description or definition later. A concise, well-structured definition is the key to consistent, engaging replies, so take a moment to polish it. With these steps, you'll go from a blank page to a fully defined character quickly and confidently.